Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can get a free $30 no deposit bonus for you to start trading your forex account in 2025 without you having to deposit any amount of money at all. And also I'll be discussing the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit as far as you are able to comply with their terms and conditions, and you don't have to bother about how you are going to get their terms and conditions, because it will be carefully discussed in the middle of this video. All you just have to do is to stay tuned and watch this video carefully. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I want you to like, comment, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out on any further no deposit bonus I drop. Alright, so as you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. If you know that you're interested in making money every day, and if you know that you are interested in one-on-one guidance on how to make money with forex in 2025, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video and also the comment section. Click on the link that you see there. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can have a one-on-one access to me and where you can get to make money every single day without you having to deposit any money. So now to proceed, in order to proceed in claiming this free $30 no deposit bonus, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. Click on the link that you see there. It will take you to this home page that you are going to be using to claim your free $30 forex no deposit bonus. So once you get to this interface, the next thing you have to do is to click on get a welcome account. All right, so if you scroll down right now, it will bring you to this place. The next thing you have to do is for you to fill in the necessary details that you are supposed to fill, which include your first name, your last name, and all of the necessary details. So once you are done with that, click on submit. As you can see right here on the screen, your welcome account has been created. You will receive a confirmation with your email. So the next thing for you to do is to go to your email and receive the details of your login credentials. So right now, head on to your email account. As you can see, this is your login credentials for MT4 platform. So you can only trade this free $30 forex no deposit bonus on MT4 account. So in here, you are going to take your login details and log it in on your MT4 platform, and I will be showing you how you can do that right now. All right, so the name of our server is Live06 Tickmail account. All right, Live06 Tickmail Live06, and as you can see, this is it right here on our screen. So all you have to do is to search for Tickmail Live06. So click on it and go back to the platform that you just used to create an account. So copy your login details, copy your login. So now that I have copied my login, the next thing for me to do is to go back and copy my password. All right, so go back and copy your password and paste it over here. So once you are done with that, just click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you will see your account on your screen right away, and so you can come down to trade and start placing your order, start analyzing, and these are the currency pair that you can also trade over there. So you can just come to this place and start trading. All right, you can come to this place to analyze and start placing your order. Thank you guys for watching. If you know that you find this video very interesting and very beneficial, don't forget to drop a comment below when you get yours, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out on the further no deposit bonuses. Thank you for watching.